We will try to express this in the variable separable form. So rearrange the terms. So y by brackets y plus 3 dy equal to 2 in dx by x. Now we can integrate each side separately. In the LHS, y and y plus 3 are both of degree 1, so we can apply long division to make it into a proper form, or write the numerator y as y plus 3 minus 3. Split the expression on the LHS into two terms and integrate term by term. Use the given condition y of 1 equal to minus 2 to solve for c. So replace x with 1 and y with minus 2 and rearrange and solve for c.